You'll go this way, because that's that player.
Formulated by my own hand following a 200.
Do you want some? Get yourself some.
Don't take it. It's swamp water. Most likely do you in.
I'll do you in if you don't hush up. Pay no mind
The
about
pond
this
water.
old parrot.
Can I have some?
This here treatment is guaranteed to cure all known ailments in both man and beast. It can be yours for the bargain, the knockdown, never to be repeated. Once in a lifetime price of only $1 silver dollar. Why, it's practically a miracle.
And $1 silver dollar, Harder.
He's quick. It's a ripoff. We was run out of the last town.
This is where I found that phone. I found a mobile phone on that last time. Let's have a go on Rocky Mountain Railroad. Huh? Yeah? Whoa! Oh!
I know this right. I know things right.
We'll have a look at some of these in a little bit, Mum. VO animatronics. Come on, let's. I think we just got to miss a trick. Hardy! And we just missed it. We just missed it. It's like, I might as well have a look round here. Just missed it. Don't trip up. Make sure you don't trip up, Mum.
Better get this here message sent now. What does it say? Send help. Party about to attack. Sundown Cowboy. Sundown Cowboy Town? Oh no! I better go get the sheriff.
Come on, let's see what the attack's going to happen at. You alright? Let's have a look in here. Take your time.
Well, howdy there, folks. I'm just fixing to get me some new shoes. What'll I do while I'm waiting?
Oh, look at the masses.
Let's sing us a few songs. Bet you didn't know I was a singing horse, did you? Well, here we go. In the key of hay. Oh, MacDonald
No
had
doubt
a
of
farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he had a horse.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a neigh here and a neigh there.
Everywhere moo moo.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
That sure was fun. But I didn't hear you singing along. Let's try that again.
Oh, oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he had some rats.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a nibble over here.
A nibble over there.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm.
Oh,
That's much better. What'll we do now?
Get the carrots
I've got it. How about we do oats and beans and barley? Oh,
yay!
oats and beans and barley. Oh, oats and beans and barley. Oh. First the farmer sows the seeds.
Rap chops, one pound each.
And claps his hands.
There's a rat on my sleeper over there as well.
Beans and barley,
Just been eating cabbage.
oats and beans and barley, oh, you or I or anyone know.
Hey.
You rats are gonna get yourselves in a whole mess of trouble. Well, I better get my shoes off. Can't hang around here all day lollygagging with you folks. Got me a whole mess of chores to do before sundown. You go on and have fun, y'all.
We will do.
And y'all don't mention them rats here.
No rats in here. No rats in here. Right, Hardy, we're to join the queue for the train. Because we might as well have gone in there because we just missed the train, I know. It don't take long to go around up the train. Take your time.